Good day, everyone. This is Ryan F. Ginaldo, currently studied at St. Paul University, Surigao, taking up Bachelor of Science in Mining Engineering. So this time, I'm going to discuss to you the topic about the fundamentals of mine planning. We have here the mine planning objectives. So in mine, the maximize of profits or MVP, maximize or recoveries, maximize production capacity, maximize production costs, minimize waste extraction, minimize pre-production distance, early or late waste extraction, slope safety, and economic balance. In equipment, optimum PM plan, maximize equipment availability, maximize equipment utilization, maintain equipment PM utilization balance, maximize economic useful lives, efficient equipment operators optimize RRR plan, they maximize dealership support, maintain appropriate inventory levels. In the process plant, maximize process plan capacity, grade variability, maximize efficiency, minimize processing cost, and maintain smooth or flow through. So, ore description. So, the definition of ore is that it is a natural aggregate of one or more solid minerals that can be mined, processed, and sold at a profit. Also, it extraction leading to a profit. Of course, the price of material is mostly determined by the supply and the demand. Role of mining engineers, minimizing the unit costs. A thorough understanding of the deposit itself and the tools or techniques used in the extraction process. In mine development phases, we have phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. So in phase 1, the planning. So planning is required here is about the safety, the environmental impact, the economically viability, and the corporate social responsibility. Next, in the phase 2, which is the implementation or the development stage. So, once the plan has been confirmed, the real work can begin. This is the longest stage of the process so far and can take anywhere from 10 to 20 years before the mine is ready for production, depending on the site size. So here in the implementation, it involved the construction building or the building of roads, rail or airstrip port to access the mine, plus the services such as water, sewage, and power is similar to the work required for establishing the other types of industries, except that these constructions could be in remote areas with added logistical challenges. So next one is the phase 3. In the phase 3 is all about the production. Now the mine is finally ready to begin producing in this phase. Next one is the initial data collection checklist or IDCC. The first is the topography, climatic condition, water geologic structures, mine water, power, smelting, surface, rock type, application for concentrator, tailings pond area, land ownership, methods of obtaining information, roads, government, economic climate, waste dam application, and accessibility. The stages of mine planning. First, the conceptual study. Preliminary evaluation, transformation of a project to a proposal. This objective is identify potential investment opportunity, approximate ratio of capital and operating costs. Then pre-feasibility study, the normally not suitable to make an investment decision. It also determine whether the project proposal justifies a detailed analysis by a feasibility study. Then the final feasibility study is provides conclusive technical, environmental, and economic base to make an investment decision, optimization of all critical elements of the project. And in the feasibility study contains all the information that supports a general understanding and evaluation of the project. reasons for the selecting particular processes, equipment, or courses of action. Then key requirements is the report must be easy to read and information are easily accessible. Then the parts of the reports need to be read and understand by non-technical people. An essential function of FS, feasibility study, it provides a comprehensive outline of established and detailed facts concerning the mining project, the present and appropriate scheme of exploitation with designs and equipment list for making accurate prediction of cost and results. It indicates the likely profitability of the project undertaken as a report specifies, and provide this information in a form intelligent to the owner and suitable for presentation to prospective financiers. Feasibility report volumes includes geology, or reserve and mining. Next is metallurgy, then capital and operating cost estimates, legal, finance and marketing, summary and economic analysis, and of course, we have the mining department activities flow sheet. We all know that all the mining engineers or mining student can know this. First, drill hole data, and next is mining reserves, then followed by composite assay data, and then mining schedule from the work, or you can create the I guess I forget. Of course, the equipment selection, and lastly is the mining report. I forgot. In the mining schedule, you can create the Gantt chart. And then mine reclamation or the rehabilitation. The purpose of mine reclamation plan is to detailed guidelines for the reclamation process. Basis to review the reclamation process. Contents of reclamation plan is logical sequence of steps for completing the reclamation process. The specific of how the reclamation standards will be achieved. The estimate of specific cost of reclamation. The sufficient information for the development of a basis of inspection and enforcement of reclamation, and of course, the criteria to be used to evaluate reclamation success and reclamation bound release. And that's all for my presentation. I hope you understand. Thank you for listening.